So I am going to explain how and why to enable original sound in Zoom when you are having a drum lesson. I've written this in so many emails this week that I thought it would be easier just to stick it all in a video. So original sound, Zoom is set up by default to cancel out any background noise. That will include your drums. That's really useful for mum in the next room who's on a work call. She doesn't want the sound of your drums in the background of her work call, but obviously for your Zoom call when you're having a drum lesson, you really do need the sound of your drums in that. So just to give you a quick demonstration, I've got the original sound feature turned on at the moment. That's what we want. This is all also coming just through the inbuilt microphone on my 8-year-old laptop. I've got no external mics or anything turned on. So this is with original sound. This is what we want, and this is what the drums sound like. So that's not too bad. You're not going to sell any records like that, but you can hear everything that's going on, and really for the purpose of the lesson, that's all we need. So just to show you that same thing without that original sound feature, so this is what it will be by default. So turn it off. What will happen is you'll hear the drums for a little bit and then it will just cut out. Zoom will try to cancel it all. Here we go. So that's really unhelpful if you are having a drum lesson. So I will show you for how to turn it on. So I need to do a little Sonny and share the screen. Desktop one, yes. So you need to go into your settings, and then in your settings in Zoom, go to audio, and then just scroll down, music and professional audio, and then check this little show in meeting option to enable original sound. You want that checked, and then once you're in the meeting, you can wiggle your mouse over the screen, and in the top left corner you'll see the option to turn the original sound on and off, and you want it on. So that's on the desktop version. Let me just stop sharing that. It's slightly different on a phone or tablet, so I'll show you on a tablet. Let's get share back on the case and share the iPad. Share. Yes, there we go. Okay, so on a tablet in the home screen, you have to do this before you go into the meeting on a tablet. I think on the desktop one you can do it whilst you're already in the meeting. So on a tablet, home screen, settings, then meetings, and then scroll down to, here we go, use original sound. So make sure that is toggled on. You want that on. And then once you are in the meeting, there we go. Yes. So you can go to more, and then you'll see it enable original sound. Press that. You won't see that show up if you've not done that thing before from the home screen in the settings. So you can disable it as well. Right, let me get rid of that. And that's it. It's dead easy, but it's a really useful feature. It's an essential feature if you're having a Zoom drum lesson. I hope that helped.